Rebuilding a model steam plant, part 8, painting the engine mounting plinths and the Stuart 1010V parts. During this video there is a piece of music playing in the background. It is adapted from a melody by a good friend of mine, the late Alan Wormald, who died suddenly a couple of days ago. This repeated 6-note sequence affects myself and others in a very positive way indeed. I will explain in the initial video narration. Before I can start the painting operation, I need to stir the paint. I'm using the other end of the paintbrush, the handle, which seems to make a very good paint stirrer and saves the time normally spent walking around the workshop looking for suitable small paint stirring sticks. Once you've stirred the paint, you just wipe the handle and then start painting. I don't need to narrate this painting job, but I would like to mention about the music. Let me explain. I take my blood pressure frequently. I'm type 2 diabetic and the doctor requests that I do this. The music that you're about to hear contains a 6-note sequence. And when I'm taking my blood pressure, if I repeat this 6-note sequence in my head, my resting heart rate lowers, and even better, there is a definite drop in my blood pressure. I've incorporated this 6-note sequence into a bit of a background tune for this video. See what you think. Try it out, you never know. All you have to do is sit back and relax and listen to the music. Try and memorize the 6 notes, that way you don't need to have the music on to lower your blood pressure. It definitely works for me.